Standing right next to me is Mr. Venky Mysore from Abu Dhabi Knight Riders. Please tell us, sir, how did you find the trophy?
It's quite special, very different, and obviously a lot of work has gone into it and a lot of thought. So it was a nice, auspicious way to get the tournament kicked off.
The trophy is different, you said. What different thing are you bringing on the table for the International League T20?
See, we've had a vision and a strategy of making Knight Riders into a global brand, and we're perhaps the first one and the only one at this point, because we have 4 different franchises in IPL, in the Caribbean League, now in ILT20, and we will have one in the US as well. So our experience that comes with 15 years in IPL, 8 years in CPL, I think is unique. There are very few. In fact, I can't think of anyone who has that kind of 300 T20 games under their belt in franchise format. So we hope to bring that experience and those learnings, and not just for our benefit, but for the benefit of the league. So hopefully it'll be a mutually beneficial arrangement here.
What do you make out of the International League T20?
I think it's got all the ingredients for it to be a huge success. The time zone in which it is operating is ideal for most markets, not just the UAE market, but also the Indian market, because it'll be prime time. People in India and the fans in India are so used to watching games that were played in the UAE, 2 IPLs, 1 World Cup, 1 Asia Cup. So I think we've got the audience, for want of a better word, I'll say well-trained to follow the tournament. And therefore, I think if you look at the quality of the teams that have been built, of international players and a good combination of domestic players, I think it's going to make for a great product. And because of the reach as well and the time advantage, and with Z coming on board to broadcast in India, it should be a winner. So fingers crossed.
Definitely a huge success. Thank you for speaking with us and all the very best, sir.
Pleasure. Thank you, Shapal.